Okay, here we go. Well, there's my luggage. Alright, let me find... There's my luggage. There's your luggage. We'll come get that as soon as we find the room. 73. No. 75. 77.
79.
Woohoo! We are here. Welcome aboard. Would you do the honors? Yes, not enough hands.
Do I open it?
Yes, open it.
Well, you got to remember.
Yeah, I know you've never done this before.
Oh, you motherless.
Family channel.
Biscuit. I get your family channel right here. See what this is? It's up.
Okay. Have your drink. I'll take a card. You have a drink.
I'll have a stroke.
Okay. Oh, might help if I put it in the right direction.
I got one.
There you go.
Here we go. Got it?
Got it?
Here is our room. Okay, putting things down. We have our 2 beds. Oh, get it off your shoulders. Okay. Oh, the safety video.
Oh.
We were right behind you and you guys, nobody could hear us.
Oh, yeah. I heard the porter behind me. Around me. And I kept thinking, who's he talking to? There's...
Are you across the hall?
Apparently, directly. So if we leave both our rooms open, you guys can see the ocean.
It's,
Shut up. Yep, he's got an ocean view.
Yep, there you go.
Yeah, so we had the one over there.
Yeah.
And then I called him. Put me on. I'm tired of it. I got 2 diamond clubs. I got bumped up the balcony.
Nice, and you're directly across the hall. That's hysterical. Hi, Blake.
Are you recording all this?
Of course I am. I'll edit it out. Here you go. This is for you.
Yay!
It's an unlimited soda package.
Oh, that is so cool. Thank you.
Yes. Water, juices. Okay. Let's see. Oh, it's actually a really nice closet. Very
It's bigger than the
large.
bathroom.
No, it's really a nice closet.
Did you see the size of your shower?
It's probably the standard shower I'm used to on a Royal. Let us see the bathroom. Yeah, it's the standard I'm used to on a Royal. Although,
the man on the toilet.
I have to admit it's a double door. I like that. And we got a clothesline so I can hang up bathing suits. Yay. I love the way they've done this. It makes it look like the shower door is wet and it's really not. I think that's cute. I'm a weird child.
No, not really.
We're here. I'm excited. Okay, it is smaller than the balcony room that we had, but it's about the same size as the one that I had on Independence. Because we had actually it's a little smaller than the one on Independence though. Because we had the promenade view on Independence, which was beautiful. And I like this. Does it have... Oh, it's got a USB charger port on the side of the phone. We got lights over each bed.
What's cool is...
Awesome.
If you have a third person...
Yep.
That's where they get the curtains.
Oh my god, there's a ton of storage in here. Tons. Oh, there's our safe. Yeah, tons of storage. I love that. Okay, telephone and data, and there's not a lot of plugs. That's why I brought my
Multipass.
multi-charger. Look at that, the USB port charger. Awesome. I want to be able to hear in here. Yeah, there's a ton of storage. Let me guess, this is my mini fridge? Yes, and that is where my wine will go.
Drunk.
Not. I like my wine. It's pretty though. It's cute. Nice. Alright, quick room tour. That was it.
Wash your hands before you get SARS and Mars plague and you're gonna
Yeah,
die.
and on that note,
We hit the iceberg.
that's our mini interior room on the Mariner. Bye for now.
It's because you're
Maybe.
going to hell.